Hello guys, welcome back. So let's see, the next problem that we have is find the count of monotonic pairs, right? So we have given array of positive integers as we have given. So we will call the pair of non-negative integers array1, array2 in the monotonic, right? Monotonic means it is one is in non-decreasing and another is decreasing, that we have seen already in the last problem that we are talking about in this problem 3250. So this is 3251. Next problem we have, so we'll keep find the pairs that we have already talked, right? And then we have to return the count of monotonic pairs. Since the answer may vary, we will take the modulo of 10 to the power 9 plus 7, right? So we have to keep checking this value. We have to keep checking the modulo for this one, as we have seen in the last problem, right? We have to take modulo here, we have to take the modulo here, and then we have to keep updating the count, right? Like we were doing. Similarly, we'll do here, and then we'll try to implement this problem, right? So first of all, what we have to see here, this problem is equivalent to the last problem, right? So what we will do, first of all, we'll calculate the number of valid pairs, right? We'll calculate the number of valid pairs where array at 1 is monotonic non-decreasing and array at 2 is non-increasing, right? Both are monotonically. So based on the constants we have provided in the nums, right? As you can see, what is the constant? Array at 1 and array at 2, if we'll sum, if it is equal to this, then it's a we will return the monotonic pairs, right? And we will do that. So let's understand the problem that we have given here. What we will do here, so we will first of all we'll take a count pairs. In the count pairs, what we will do, we will see we have given the array, we will take a prefix 0, and we have n, it's nums dot length we'll take, and for the prefix we will calculate the zeros, right? To calculate the zeros, what we will do, we will have nums at I, and from the nums at I we'll reduce I minus 1 and we'll have a 0, whichever is the max, that we will say prefix 0 will calculate like this, okay? And then we'll take, why we are taking the prefix 0 calculation, because the prefix 0 variable is it will compute based on the difference between the consecutive elements in the nums array, right? So if we want to find the you can say prefix 0, then we have to find the difference between the consecutive elements in the nums array, right? And then you will find the prefix zeros, right? Now we'll go with the row and columns, right? So we will take a row. How many rows are there? The n plus 1 is there, and column is there, the number of nums at n minus 1 plus 1, and then we'll do minus prefix zeros, right? We will take row and columns, we'll calculate. So row is a set, we'll set n plus 1, where n is the length of the nums, and col is nothing but column. So we'll calculate column based on nums of n minus 1, right? We'll do plus 1, and then we'll reduce prefix zeros. If col is less than equal to 0, then it indicates that there are no valid configuration and the method is 0, right? So we'll do, if col is less than equal to 0, we'll return 0. Otherwise, what we will do, we'll initialize the dp array. How we will initialize? We'll define first the columns, and then based on all the columns, we'll initialize the default value 1 here, right? dp at 1. Then once your dynamic programming array is initialized, right, now what we have to do, we have to start filling the array, dp array. So we'll take a nested loop that fills the dp array and the dp at some value, let's suppose c at column, right? What we will do, dp at c value is updated based on, you can say, values from the previous columns to the compute. We will do the compute the number of valid pairs, right? So we have to find the number of valid pairs, right? So we will use the values from the previous column to the number of valid pairs, and then if it is like that for all the rows, we'll go with all the columns and we will calculate these values, right? dp at c and dp at c minus 1, right? And we'll take the modulo like this, okay? And then we'll return dp at column minus 1 we'll get, and then we will return the result. So this method will take column minus 1, which holds the total value of the pairs, and so we will have already have done modulo, right? So we do not need to do here, we will do keep doing there only, right? And if its result will already stored in the dp, and if it is already we have filled the array, right, then we will return the last column data, we will return, and we have that data here, right? So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit subscribe this channel, and I will really appreciate if you write the time complexity of all the program that we have talked about in the context question. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.